Hi friends, welcome in the new video. This video is farm birds unboxing video. So let's start the unboxing, guys. So many birds like duck, hen are involved in this packet. Wow guys, white big size duck, guys. Beautiful duck. Wow guys, orange color cock. Beautiful big size color. So guys, next is deep brown color duck. Beautiful duck, large size, guys. Beautiful size. Wow, wow guys, turkey color combinations, black orange color turkey, guys. Beautiful turkey. Guys, next is wow duck, deep color duck, guys. Color combination, beautiful color combination, guys. Beautiful. Wow guys, hen, yellow color hen, guys. Beautiful hen, looks great, guys. So guys, next is green color duck. Beautiful duck, guys. Wow guys, beautiful duck. Wow guys, small cock. Beautiful cock, guys. Color combination beautiful, looks great, guys. So guys, next is duck. Beautiful duck, guys. Wow guys, double egg. Beautiful eggs, guys.